Hi guys, it's Harry from PortaSauna. I hope you are well. I wanted to talk to you about wood. What wood should you use in a sauna? So there's two sort of points that you need wood. One of them I'm sat on, which is our PortaSauna bench. So you get one bench as standard with the hex and two with the hexel. And this is made out of imported cedar wood. So it's important not to have any chemicals in the wood, just because obviously of the temperatures that you're getting to, you do not want to make it harmful for yourself in the sauna. The other wood that we need to talk about is what goes in your stove. So we sort of had quite a lot of questions about what wood is best, where do you get the wood from, how cost effective is it? So yeah, we are currently at PortaSauna working our way through different types of wood to show what is best. I wanted to talk to you about one today, which is ash. So this wood we buy in at £90 a tonne. We've got a local wood supplier. For yourself, if you own a PortaSauna, just drop myself or Jordan a message or drop us an email and we can find you some good wood supplies in your area. But we have some fantastic ones down in Portsmouth. And yeah, the most important thing is that depending on, if you're using oak, birch, ash, is that it is untreated hardwood and it is dry. So what we recommend is, when you get your wood arrived, keep it dry in a wood store, just because it can damage the stove. Similar to a car, you're not going to put rubbish fuel into it because it's just not going to work properly. So to get the best out of your stove, to maintain the heat, we recommend, some good hardwood. And as I said, contact us, we'll give you a supplier. This wood here, we're using at the moment. Ash holds the heat really, really nicely, burns really hot. So what we've noticed, with the hex as well, with its sort of, its new shape up, is that we're consistently hitting temperatures of 95 degrees and above with this sort of wood. People say, £90 for a tonne, that sounds like quite a lot, but to put that into perspective, if you're looking to sauna regularly, you're looking for, it's about 50p an hour for a sauna, which is incredibly cost effective. And if you're looking for 6 hours worth of sauna, probably looking about that bag there. But yeah, any questions you've got about what wood to use in the sauna, if you're thinking about getting some furniture that isn't from us, drop us a message, pop a comment on this, and yeah, look after your stove and your sauna with the right wood.